Alright, so tightening up the carrier here. We haven't torqued, we're not going to torque it right at the moment, we're just checking for fitment, and there's probably 60, 70, 80 foot-pounds, but right now we're just trying to get it on so we can get the brakes on, look at the fitment of everything, get the caliper on. So, let's take a look here, and we got the hose issue here we're going to try to figure out. So, just a trial fitment at the moment. Looks pretty snazzy though. Look at that. Pretty cool. Definitely know why people do that, man. I'm trying to remember where this the pin here or the screecher goes. I'm not remembering at the moment. And I put that upside down. Alright. I'm pretty sure the screecher goes at the front. I just don't remember where. Hey, get on there. Alright, it's in the back, so we're just gonna leave it in the back and see what it does. Like I said, I'm not positive where it goes. My bad. There are two little bolts for a caliper, and I don't remember which caliper goes where either, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so here's the caliper. That'll ride right up here. Get snug on everything. Got a few nicks in the paint already, but that's okay. Just trying to figure out where it'll be I remember which side it is. You want to go with the side of the bleeder. Yeah. Alright, so we got the stainless steel line on. Just trying to figure out where. Get the light out of the way here. Figure out what's going to be best for this application. We've got the there we go. Got the bottom here, and here's this one. Yeah, that's going to be way too short. Okay. So it looks like we're going to need to do this number. Well, that don't look too bad. Over at the side here. Okay. I think that'll work, and then I think it's going to stretch quite a bit. So anyways, looks like a longer hose right here. So we'll need to take this apart, and yeah, it looks like what we're going to want to do. That looks pretty short. I think it's set up for more of a top mount on the other caliper. So probably won't reuse this. Hopefully this is in good shape. I hope so. I don't know if that might be a little bit different. We're going to find out, folks. I was looking at the brake lines, and with the 2-piston caliper setup that I got from a 98 to 02 Firebird, it came with a stainless steel brake lines, thankfully, which was a big help. And you'll see in the video clip that Bear shows that I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to work. And so once my dad got home that evening, I looked at it a little bit closer and had him look at it, and he said, well, let's just try to get go ahead and put your brake line on there, tighten it down, and just, we'll flex the wheel back and forth and see what it looks like. And sure enough, it worked pretty well, and it seemed like it had plenty of tension, but without being overstressed. It had plenty of movement, and to this date, we're at the 19th of March while I'm filming this, and cars were working fine. I haven't lost any brake fluid. It's still working great. No issues with those stainless steel brake lines. So, and I forget the exact length on those, but they're definitely worth the upgrade, worth the cost, and fairly easy to find from what I could tell. So definitely worth checking into. The existing brake lines will not work, I don't believe, with the 2-piston caliper setup. So just be aware of that if you try that for yourself.